Hey y'all, back again. It's I Am Biscuit and Mr. Biscuit. Today we're gonna do a review on Jeannie's stuff. Bye bye.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully you all are doing okay. So today's video is going to be a unboxing slash review of a Pamper kit that I purchased from none other than the Nail Genie SC. If you all aren't familiar with the Nail Genie, you need to go over and get yourself well acquainted with this beautiful queen, okay? She has decided to come out with some Pamper kits, and of course it is February and she is doing themed Pamper kits, right? So of course, since it's February, she is doing Valentine's Day Pamper kits, and of course your girl had to get her hands on one. I will leave Jeannie's website and all of her social media down in the description box. Make sure you go over and check her out, show her some love, support, get you a Pamper kit, okay? And I already know, I'm sure, well, I'm like 50% sure. I'm sure she's gonna be doing one for St. Patty's Day. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my hands on another one. So here is my package, and it arrived nice and safe. She put some bubble wrap in here, y'all. You know I love this bubble wrap, right? She put some bubble wrap in here, y'all. She put my Pamper kit in a really, really cute box. Of course, it came packaged with some cute decor inside. I love this. I'm saving this, okay, because I will be reusing this, but this is real cute. So she put my Pamper kit in this really cute bag box. It's like a cardboard bag, but it's a box. It's cute. So I love it. Super, super cute. And it was packaged very well. It actually came saran wrapped. You all know I had to get a first peek, and I had to thank my good sis, the Nail Genie SC, Jeannie, for doing me a custom, okay, y'all heard that right, a custom set for my Pamper kit. Okay, so of course this month's theme is Valentine's, and I'm gonna start off first by opening the box, because we need to let the suspense build up for this set, okay? So I reached out to Jeannie. I asked her could she do me a custom set, and of course she said yes. So she named my set Cotton Candy Cheetah. So yes ma'am, I love it, and I love your sticker, ma'am. So inside of this box, of course, this is a Pamper kit. This is supposed to be a kit for you to spend some time with yourself, okay? Self-care is very important. I know we always dedicate a lot of time to work, kids, if you have any, work, kids, cooking dinner, cleaning up the house, but this kit is perfect for you to take some time out and show yourself some love, okay? So pamper yourself, okay? So inside of here, it is super cute. I love these little felt flowers. This is really cute. And the felt hearts. I'm definitely going to be sticking these on something, but these are very, very cute. I like the added goodies in there. We have a thank you sticker. I think this is a sticker, is it? It is. This is cute, and she wrote thank you on it. No thank you, sis. I do appreciate it. So inside of here also comes with these 24 karat gold eye masks, and this is supposed to be like eye patches to put underneath your eyes, so that way you can reduce the swelling, reduce the puffiness, and if you have, for sake of better words, I don't want to say black eyes, but you get little dark circles underneath your eyes. So I always wanted to try some of these, so I am definitely anxious to put these on for sure. And then of course, with every Pamper kit, you do get a disposable kit where you have your buffers, your nail file, your cuticle pusher. There's some cuticle oil in here. Comes with your prep kit and all of that. So let me get this open real quick. Okay, so like I was mentioning, you have your cuticle oil, you have some glue, you have your prep sterile pads, alcohol pads, you have your sticky tabs, okay? Because guess what? We actually have some press-ons and some toe press-ons. You feel me? Also comes with a buffer, a small file, and you do have some extra sticky tabs just in case. You do have a card to tell you how to apply your press-ons if you need the assistance, okay? And then this is such a cute thank you card. It don't even make no sense. This is real cute and it's blue. Yes, ma'am. That's right. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. Your purchase made my day. I hope this package brightened yours. I really appreciate your support. Anytime, you all know I love supporting my nail sisters especially, and I love supporting small businesses as well. So you have that, and you have, of course, another prep kit, which is your disposable manicure kit. And then also inside of here, you also have some details on the set. Now, of course, because it's custom, it's definitely custom to me, okay? But it does also include some bonus sizes, just in case you will need some. So thank you so much for your support to my small business. It means a lot, of course. And thank you so much for taking the time out to even put your talents on some nails, okay? So I'm definitely excited about all of these goodies. So also in the Pamper kit, your girl gets some eyelashes and period. Purr. So I am actually gonna put these on. I mean, my eyelashes are already long enough, but you know, let's see what we looking like with some lashes on, okay? You also get some organic lip balm. This one is in the eucalyptus mint scent, and I definitely love my lip balm. It's perfect to have in the car when you just need to moisturize your lips. Also comes with a cute dust brush, and it is blue. And we also have some sugar scrub. Okay, so this one is in wood and sparrow, shea butter sugar scrub, coconut and manuka honey. Manuka? I might be butchering that. I think it's manuka honey. Let's smell this. And it comes nice and taped. That way we ain't got to worry about no spillage. Oh, and it came with a lid. Oh, I definitely like that. Okay, for the sugar scrub. You could definitely exfoliate your hands before you put on your press-ons, or you could use this on your feet. Sis said, I'm gonna give you some sugar scrub. Yes, ma'am. Ooh. This smells good. I definitely smell the honey. Okay. And also, put the lid back on here. Also, we have a face mask in tea tree. So definitely excited to use this. This will come and refresh you, and it gives you instructions on the back. I've never used a face mask before, so I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of this Pamper kit, okay? Because I'm always ripping and running and working and doing all bunch of stuff. So this is definitely something that I am excited to use. So give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back into my box, and then I'm going to show you all the set. All right, so here we are. Everything is back in my box. I left it open as well. So are you all ready? We need a drum roll, please. Look at these babies. Yes. And look, these come in like a little box frame. This is so cute. And look at the crystals on the big toe. Okay. She ready. Period, Jeannie. And look at the little French tip on the toes. I love it. These are so beautiful. You captured me all the way. She asked what colors I wanted, and you delivered. You delivered. And look at the cheetah print. Okay. And Jeannie, you put the bling on the best finger. You feel me? Hold on. Y'all know what that's for. This is so cute. I love your placement as well. Okay, y'all. We need to get right into putting these press-ons on. Hold, please. All right, so I have my sticky tabs on, and we're gonna go ahead and pop these babies on. Okay, so we have these nails on, and these are so stinking cute. Jeannie, these are so beautiful, and I do appreciate you taking out the time to create your girl a custom pamper kit. And I will be back, okay? Y'all, if y'all don't have a pamper kit, go get you one. Link in the description. All right, so we need to get some cuticle oils on these hands. And y'all know I clearly should have took the tape off beforehand, but that's okay, because guess what? Where there's a will, there's a what? There's a way. Okay. Yes. These are gorgeous. Let's get the other hand. Because guess what? She looking good. Yes. Okay. And let me get me an alcohol wipe. So that way I can wipe off the nails, because I clearly did get some cuticle oil on the nails. And because they're matte, you want to use a alcohol wipe to kind of get them back to where they're supposed to be. Little FYI if you didn't know that already. And get the oil off your nail if you have any. Remember, just get the nail only. We don't want to wipe off our nice cuticle oil that we put on our hands. Okay, here we go. And here we are. These are beautiful. Of course, they're still drying. But these are beautiful, Jeannie. Thank you so much. I love the color combo. And I love the fact that when she marbled, I got a different marble every single time. Like, they are not the same, okay? They are not the same whatsoever. Very beautiful. Thank you so much, Jeannie, for customizing me a set, and I'm definitely excited to use this mask. I'm excited to use the scrub, the face mask, and everything. So hopefully you all have enjoyed. Make sure you go get yourself a Pamper kit, especially one for Valentine's Day. Of course, it's always a time to spread love, but most importantly, to spread love to yourself. Okay, I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Make sure you go over to Jeannie's Shopify, get you a kit. You won't be disappointed, okay? She takes her time, and like I said, you can customize. So if there's something you want, you tell Jeannie, and she's gonna go ahead and create it for you, okay? All right, you all, I am out of here. I appreciate you all for watching and tuning in. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that post notification bell so that way you never miss a video from your girl. If you have any additional questions, leave them down below. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, please be safe, love on your people, check on your people most importantly, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all. So y'all thought I was gone. Well, here I am. So if you are still here, thank you so much for still being around and making it to the end of this video. I am going to go ahead and do a giveaway. So what I will be doing is I will be giving away 2 Pamper kits to 2 of my lucky subscribers. I will leave all of the rules down in the description box below. Please make sure that you follow them because I will be checking. And of course, one of the main rules is that you will need to go over to Jeannie's Shopify account, browse around, take a look at what you like, come back, leave a comment, tell me what your favorite set is, and put that down in the comment section along with a white heart, okay? And you also need to be following myself. You also need to follow Jeannie on YouTube and on Instagram. Okay, so please make sure that you are checking the description box for all of the rules. It will have more details there, but I just wanted to be able to give back to you all, and thank you so much for your love and support throughout my channel. Again, I wouldn't be anywhere. I wouldn't be where I am today without all of you, and I do appreciate it. So this video will mark a giveaway. Okay, so I will leave this video up for about 2 or 3 weeks. So good luck.